Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Today, the last in our 2024 series of holiday treats. Now, this one is going to be crazy easy. Only 4 ingredients. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 4. All right, so today we're making drunken chocolate-covered Oreo balls. So this recipe's all over the internet, but if you're going to make them drunken, you need to alter it a little bit. Now, first of all, we'll do something that's common with all of them. I have a block of cream cheese here that's been sitting at room temperature. I'm going to whip that up. I'm going to whip it good.
Tell me more.
Yeah. Now that I am pleased of the whooping I laid down on that cream cheese, you did good. We'll move to the next step. This is where you have your alternative. Okay, so most recipes, if you're just making regular Oreo balls, you need about 36 to 38 cookies for a recipe for 1 block of cream cheese. We're adding some more liquid to it, so we need some more stuff to soak that up, so I'm going with 40 Oreos into the food processor. And if you use the big party size pack, you'll have a few left over just in case, All right, let's get those crumbled up. All right, I'm happy with the crumblage. Now, in another bowl goes your cookies. In with your cookies goes your cream cheese. And then 1/2 cup of your favorite mint liqueur. You could use Bailey's. I'm using Finley's mint chocolate liqueur. 1/2 cup. Now I'm gonna get all of that mixed up till I have an even consistency. Then we'll move on to the next step. We'll see you then. All right, so I'm happy with the consistency here. Looks like a thick brownie batter. Now I'm going to take a baller and we're going to ball these up and put them onto a parchment sheet lined baking tray so we can get these in the refrigerator to set up as we get our chocolate ready to apply the chocolate covering. So I'm going to get these balled up and then we'll be back when it's time to get them coated. We'll see you then. All right, the balls have been in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes, then I moved them to the freezer. You want to be very precise with your balls here. You need them hard enough to where they're not going to break up when you try and coat them in the chocolate, but you need them soft enough to where you can poke them with the toothpicks to get them into the chocolate. I think we're there. So I'm going to use the toothpick method, gently get it in our chocolate, work it around, and then onto a parchment paper lined baking dish. So I'm going to get all these done, and then we'll see you back when it's time for the judgment. We'll see you then. All right, the chocolate has set up. My balls are looking glorious.
What did he say?
Now it's time to get some judgment from Charlotte. My balls are a little big.
Okay, so you can see they look all pretty. The chocolate coating just breaks right up. Minty.
Good. Can you taste the mint liqueur in there at all?
No.
Okay, so it just adds to the mint flavor.
Yeah, it does. Here. They're like giant mint truffles. You're like, Yes, yes it is. Once you get all the chocolate off your teeth.
All right, so after we coated these, we had some chocolate left over, so dip some strawberries in there to use it up, and there you go, a fantastic dessert for the holidays. Hey, give it a try. If you enjoyed what you saw today, please hit that like button, hit the subscriber button, and become a sunscriber. Leave us a comment. What is your favorite holiday treat? What would you like to see us do next year? Until we meet again, thank you very much for watching, and fair winds and following seas.